your English language trainer. So today I have come up with the writing task 2. I had in my previous video I had discussed about what all to do in writing task 2, that is essay in IELTS examination. So today I am going to talk about what all to avoid, what mistakes you should not be committing in writing task 2 or essay in IELTS examination. So the first thing that you need to keep in your mind is avoid using contractions. So don't use any contractions in writing because it will deduct your score. So is not should be written as isnot. It should not be written as isn't or hasn't or haven't or won't, right? So avoid using contraction. The second thing is, after every paragraph, leave a blank line. Give a space after every paragraph. Third thing is, you should mention various ideas in different paragraphs. So every paragraph should have an important idea that is written in one paragraph, and the second idea or the other opinion should be followed or should be written in another paragraph. The fourth point is, avoid spelling and grammatical mistakes. So you should not commit any spelling or grammatical mistakes because that will lead to less score in IELTS. Next thing that you need to be careful about, that if you are not sure about using idiom, you don't make use of them. Only if you're confident about the use of phrases, proverb and idioms, then you should be using them. Then address entire essay. So read the essay very carefully and you should try to address the entire aspect. Let's say if the question asks you to write about the advantages and disadvantages, so make sure you're mentioning both the aspects, the positive side and the negative side as well. And if the question demands to what extent do you agree with the opinion, then you should be clear whether you completely agree or you partially agree. So whatever the case is, if you completely agree, you got to have justification for your viewpoint, and if you partially agree, that means you should be writing both the sides of the coin. Then don't use memorized language or phrases because that will not add to any score, because only if you're using one or two memorized line in between the essays, that will not help you. Your entire essay should be relevant and should be coherent. Then be confident about what you are writing and have a clarity. Write the relevant content in the essay, right? Thank you so much, and in my next video I'll again come up with another module, tips and techniques. Take care.